How can I use if-else in a dictionary comprehension? Does there exist a way in Python to .7+ to make something like the following? I know you can make anything with just if.
You've already got it. Or if test else b is a valid Python expression. The only problem with your dict comprehension as shown is that the place for an expression in a dict comprehension must have two expressions, separated by a colon. The final if clause acts as a filter, which is different from having the conditional expression.
At Muchin's answer covers it all, but just in case someone wants to see an actual example, I add two below. Let's say you have the following dictionary of sets. And you want to create a new dictionary whose keys indicate whether the string or is contained in the values or not. You can use which yields Now let's suppose you have two dictionaries like this. And you want to replace the keys in D1 by the keys of D2 if their respective values are identical. You could do which gives
In case you have different conditions to evaluate for keys and values, at Marchin's answer is the way to go. If you have the same condition for keys and values, you're better off with building key, value, tuples and a generator expression feeding into dict. It's easier to read, and the condition is only evaluated once per key, value. Example with borrowing a Kleb's dictionary of sets. Assume you want to suffix only keys within its value, and you want the value replaced with the length of the set in such a case. Otherwise, the key-value pair should stay unchanged.
Another example in using if-else in dictionary comprehension. I am working on data entry desktop application for my own office work, and it is common for such data entry application to get all entries from input widget and dump it into a dictionary for further processing like validation, or editing, which we must return selected data from file back to entry widgets, etc. The first round using traditional coding, 8 lines. Second round I tried to use dictionary comprehension, but the loop's still there, 6 lines. Finally, with a 1-line dictionary comprehension statement, 1 line. I use Python 3.8.3.
If you watch the board now, systems are watching and subscribing.